guys, good morning. Yet, it's still about 11:58, and today is 23rd of March 2018. How are you guys? What are you doing? How are your trades? The Nifty is just in a bloodbath. Like everything that you look into in the market is just red. So it was inevident. I told you yesterday itself that you know when I was conducting my yesterday's class, in the morning, although the Nifty opened little positive yesterday, but I said to my class that I'm not comfortable at all with Nifty. Reason being, everywhere I saw a selling in 2 days back, like for the last 2 days, they have been just selling in the market. I said, whatever is it, the Nifty is as far as the index is concerned, it is kind of being manipulated. But if you look into the stocks, there is a solid selling in each and every stock. The space of stocks was actually red. For today's 23rd, so 20th and 21st and 20th, there was only redness in the market, and the good stocks were also on a sell, except a few stocks here and there. So it was pretty much clear that market is not going to be stationary, or market is not going to be positive, right? And that has reflected in a beautiful fall of Nifty. So before I go anywhere, guys, there are lots and lots of text messages, phones, and the emails that I'm getting about the website called StockFenix. So I've been told that they are exactly doing what we are doing. So let me tell you, this has been opened by one of my students, and I just want to simply tell you that I have got nothing to do with this website. If you want to join, please take a call. StockPro has got nothing to do with it. And I give my best wishes to the people who have started it. But at the same time, I want to tell members that I have in person got nothing to do with StockFenix, right? And this has been started by one of my student called Prabhu. So all the best to them for all the success lying ahead. But to the members who are feeling a bit baffled or about confused, so this is not at all anything to do with StockPro, right? So we have our you have seen what all we do is, this is my website, stockprotraining.com, right? Stockprotraining.com. And you have my team, you have my all the details that you look for. Here you have the contact. You can get any clarification that you want. And as I have told you, we are coming up with a brand new, solid, youthful team and brand new products, much powerful products than we have been ever teaching. And now we complete on paper training 900 students within a span of 1 year, almost single-handedly. I have trained 900 people, members in stock market in last 1 year single-handedly. And you will see the testimonials of all my students who have joined and who have been trained with me, and they are still with me. Every member who has been joined, they are still with me, and they are training themselves, they are honing their skills, and they are becoming masters of the art of trading in the stock market. So let's go further. So guys, take a call with a lot of care. Just be extremely careful, and please remember, StockFenix and StockPro has got nothing to do with each other, right? So your call, how do you want to go about, what do you want to do? You please analyze your pros and cons, and then only do your do whatever you want to do. Okay, so now let me come back to Nifty. Now this is Nifty's 1 day graph. I would like you to come with me to 1 week graph, and I want to show you how the graph looks. And it looks pretty much pretty bad, in the sense, if you see here, bearish engulfing, which formed in the last week of January, right? After that, Nifty has been just trying to hold itself. Every day it would try to hold itself. I want to take up a pen and show you here, price rejection at this level, price rejection at this level, and there is a bit of support that Nifty got here, then again price rejection, and then again price rejection, and today is a solid Marubozu candle. right? It's a continuous fall that Nifty is experiencing, right? It is a continuous fall that Nifty is experiencing. Now today my concern has even deepened. I don't know what may lie ahead, but if you look into the weekly graph, RSI is also about to go below 40, right? And the MACD is opening in the downward direction. You never know how much more will it go down. So let's look into a weekly graph. Where could be our supports, right? So let me what I do, I will, beyond this, wherever I see a support, I'm going to draw the lines, and we'll see by enlarging those lines what's happening at those places. So we want to check what's happening at the different levels. Here, then here, then here, then here, right? These are my different levels, which I could see Nifty can get. But what is my concern right now? That, let me go down to some smaller time frame, that Nifty has basically no support from 9964 to 9861, means 100 points it has got no support whatsoever, right? So that is what my concern is, that from here also one can expect about 100 points fall. I may be wrong, because it's all prediction, it is all prediction. So let's look into with respect to the pivot point. Let's see what's happening in pivot point. So through the pivot point, I can see the next support comes at 9936, right? And beyond that, the support is it's 9861, right? So I mean, this support becomes very, very crucial. 9935 becomes very crucial. If 9935 is breached, be assured that then there is no support zone for Nifty for another, you know 30 40 plus 35 75 points. Nifty has no support, right? So just be extremely careful, because Nifty looks very, very vulnerable, very, very weak right now. Let's see what's happening in Nifty's option chain. So this was Nifty's option chain a few minutes back. So let me just refresh it. In this only, let's analyze what's happening at 10,000 level. There was a huge call writing happening today, right? And where is the put writing happening at 9,900? Let me just see how the dynamics change. Oh my God. So this has become almost double. So there is no way Nifty is going above 10,000. That is kind of sealed, right? And there is put writing happening at 9,900, right? 10,000. Tata Steel is 26 points down. Look at VEDL, 13 points down, right? So if as I told you, I've been telling you for almost quite some time that my connection of Nifty and the metal sector. If Nifty is weak, metal sector will be weak. It's both ways. Metal pulls Nifty down and Nifty pulls metal down. So both ways it works. Now you can see the entire, you know, all these metal sector is weak, whether it is whether it is Tata Steel, whether it is VEDL, whether it is Hindalco, all of them have weakness. Since all of them have weakness, I would say that Nifty also has weakness, right? That is somehow I have one correlation in my mind very clear. Very beautiful drop in the VEDL. Similarly, beautiful drop in Tata Steel. Look at how Tata Steel has broken its morning range Now it is heading massively down, and if it is heading down, be rest assured Nifty will also head down. Be rest assured Nifty will also head down, right? So analyze, but the stocks which are good, which are holding themselves, are just doing pretty good. Like for example, Coal India, it's not falling that massively, right? It's not falling that massively because, and HCL Tech also looks very, very good to me. See this, right? Although if Nifty falls, then it'll become it'll be a little difficult for HCL Tech also to move up. Look at the Titan also had a good upward movement, right? A few stocks, just one or two stocks have done well. The rest of the stocks are not doing at all anything. So market is very weak. Hold your positions with great care, because another day, few days, right now, where are we right now? 99560, 4-digit number. From 5 we have come back to from 5 digits we have come back to 4 digits, but that's also, it's not being able to hold. So that's a matter of concern, right? So hold your positions tightly, but Nifty from all angles looks very, very weak to me. From all angles, as I told you, Nifty looks very, very weak to me. There is no way Nifty is solid or holding itself. This candle itself tells me a lot of story. This candle has a big story behind it. Can you see the story? What's the story behind it? If you look into it, where did it open? It opened here, right? Buyers pushed it up, but the sellers brought it down and further down, right? And where did it stop? Here right now, trading here. Means who's not being able to sustain itself? The buyers are not being able to sustain itself, and hence it has heavy selling pressure. Even after such a huge gap down, there's a heavy, no, this is the gap down. After that also it's going in the downward direction. Means the sellers are very, 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 dominating over the buyers, right? So that is why I am not comfortable with what's happening in the Nifty. Let the Nifty find bottom, then you create your buy positions. Okay, with this I'm signing off, and I'll be traveling for 1 month, but I will be with you guys. I can't stay away from this space of YouTube. And we are starting with our brand new products, brand new team, brand new, powerful, youthful team from first week of April. Wait and watch this space in my channel, right? Go to the webinars. You will see all the latest information happening soon, and you will find many more meaningful programs coming up for you. All right, guys, take care. Good day. Bye-bye. And we meet on Monday again. Bye-bye. See you.